how to find products or services to promote as affiliate in any niche. So to find any products to promote is that simple. Go to Google and then just write this, and before that you type your niche. Let's say you have a TikTok account where you can talk about perfumes. Okay, so just type here perfumes, and now you can find websites where you can register as affiliate to promote different perfumes. You can see here the perfume shop. You can read all the details here. Now another website here, and you can look all these websites. You also find the blogs like top 12 perfume affiliate programs. So here is give you a list with different websites where you can become affiliate. Let's take another example. Let's say you talk on your YouTube channel about email marketing. Same thing. You can find here 10 best email marketing affiliate programs. So you find here everything. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time.